All right, I've been doing some updates to this 2003 Firecat F7 and some maintenance. It's my dad's sled, but I've been noticing that there's not a lot of YouTube video coverage on how to do the simple things. You can usually find information buried in the forums, but just wanted to give you guys a quick 1 minute, hopefully, video on how to change the chain case oil on these bad Larrys. So this is a non-reverse one. Forgive me, it's a little dark in here. But this sled's got about 3,000 miles. I checked the chain case oil on the other day and it was a little low, so I thought I should probably just change it. So I scooped up some of this here synthetic chain lube off of Country Cat. I bought the 15-ounce bottle. Based on what the forums say, these only take 8 ounces. So I'll put a comment in here after I fill this thing up. But ultimately, all you need to know is, first thing you want to do is right at the bottom down there is your fill plug. So check to see, before you ride where you're at. I pulled that out just for ventilation when I went to drain it. Then there's an 11mm bolt up here. If you climb underneath here, what I did is I took the thing for a quick ride, which is kind of a blessing and a curse, but the fluid gets warmed up, and I guess all the metal contaminants that are in the chain case are supposed to go into the fluid when it gets warmed up. So I took it for a ride. Then you're kind of fighting the snow and sludge when you're changing your chain case oil, but right kind of where the track meets the bulkhead, whatever the hell these things are called, if you reach up right behind here, you'll find an 11mm bolt. When you crack that thing loose, the fluid will come draining out right next to onto the track for a second, but then right next to the track. And what you're looking for is something that looks like this. This is from the drain plug, and this is the fill plug. I believe they're exactly the same. They're both 11mm on this year. There's a gentleman who put a video up how to do this on a Firecat. I think his was a 3/4, but now these are both 11mm. And like I said, I'll put a little blurb over the video and confirm that it was in fact 8 ounces for the non-reverse edition. But hope this helps somebody out, and thanks for watching. Also, these blue funnels fit in there perfectly. Let's see what kind it is. Flow Tool 10701 multi-purpose funnel. You can kind of just that sucker in there and pray that it doesn't pop out while you're putting your 8 ounces in.